Hello. Today we are preparing a Malabar special, Malabar nice Pathiri. It's served as one of the inevitable dish on any special occasion, even if it's iftar or some marriages. Without nice Pathiri it's incomplete. First of all we will boil 1¼ cup of water. When it starts to boil, we will add a teaspoon of ghee. Next we will add ½ teaspoon of salt. If you think it's not enough, you could add more. But remember, we do not add any extra salt after this. When water starts to boil, add a cup of rice powder, specially made for Pathiri, which is available in every store. What we need is, the rice powder have to cook itself in this boiled water. So combine it well as possible. When it's done, close it with the lid and keep it to cool enough to handle. When it's cool enough to handle, knead it to a smooth dough. Keep in mind that, if we need thin soft Pathiri, you need to keep it warm till we cook it. You need to knead it at least 10 minutes. Make small lemon-sized balls. Press it with your hand to form a disc. Now roll it to thin circle. If you want a perfect circle, you could cut it with the cap of a canister or something similar. Cook it both sides. As it already half cooked, you need to cook it light. Now we will share some interesting things about Pathiri. Its origin is Old Persia. Its name was fadir, means flat bread. But the fadir, which is available nowadays, doesn't made of rice flour. But this reborn fadir, or our Pathiri, is best with chicken curry or coconut milk. Thank you.